Hey fellow backyard boys, Nick here. Well, today I got a package in the mail, and I thought it was odd because I wasn't expecting anything from anybody. So I took a look at it, and it's from Tim. So that got me thinking, wait a minute. Tim's made a lot of hints in his videos of a particular bow build alone that he was going to be sending it to somebody, and they wouldn't know who it was, and he was going to be surprised. So I don't actually know what's in this box. I assume it's a bow, so I brought some arrows just in case. But if it's that bow, that'll be really cool. Either way, I'm going to open it for you guys and we'll see what's in here. There we go. And yeah, you know what? Looks like it. Okay. Bunch of bags. Oh, that looks really nice. Let me get these plastic bags real quick. That is cool. Yeah, looks like the bow. Oh man, that is really cool. Okay, let me get the rest of this off. Man, there's a lot of tape on this. Oh, that's really neat. Take a look at it. Man, this is really nice. I mean, it's got some what appears to be leather or pleather, I'm not sure. But it's got a nice wrap over the top, and it goes over the top, and it comes in to where the belly is, sort of wrapped over. This is really nice. It really reminds me of bows I've seen where there's a wrapping over the back and the sides, but it doesn't quite come to the horn belly. And this is really nice. It's got the, I believe they were Oxias. The handle's really neat. It's quite comfortable, actually. Alright, well, there it is. Let's see if I can find a string in here. Ah! Alright, here we go. Okay, let's string this thing up. Well, here's the string. I'm going to string it up. And I really like how this is done. I mean, the painting is really detailed, and I just like the look of the bow. I mean, unstrung right now, it's got everything in the right places, very gradual in the curves. I mean, it's just a really graceful bow, and it's got a good amount of reflex too. So let's see how it is when I string it up. Yeah, it's good. It's got good balance to it. I'd say about maybe 7.5 inches of brace height. Oh yeah, that is really cool. Shake 'em. Alright, let's shoot it a couple times. Oh, this thing has no hand shot. It might be from the extra mass of this handle, but it doesn't go anywhere. Puts the arrows where you point them. Very nice. Well, here it is, so you guys can see it. I just wanted to say, Tim, thank you very much. This is beautiful. You really outdid yourself. This is really nice. I'm honored to have a piece of your artwork. But here it is. Thanks for watching, Tim. Thanks for the bow. It's awesome, man. Alright, well, I'll see you guys later. Bye.